Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another episode of Speaker's Corner. Today we are joined by someone whose role directly impacts how customers experience our brand every single day. He leads a team that is shaping the customer experience and resolving the pain points of customers at Ache by Bank Islami. Welcome Ryan Nasir, Head of Customer Experience at Ache. Thank you so much Ryan for being here today.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you so much for having me, Hina.
Okay, Ryan, let's start with a simple yet very informative question. So मैंने और I'm sure हमारे viewers ने customer experience, customer service, CX department ये words ये titles बहुत दफ़ा सुने हैं. But we really don't understand that how does this department work. So can you take us through the day-to-day routine of your department and how does everyone adds to this customer experience of our customers at Ache?
Sure. So there's a general misunderstanding where customer experience is often perceived as a support function, where the only work is like resolving complaints, taking in inbound volume, trying to escalate the issues, and that's it. So it ends up being a cost center instead of actually a department that's drive the customer experience, shape the experience of the customers, how they or users how they interact with the product. In our case, we look at definitely handle the complaints. We take all the inbound interactions. But what we do is like we essentially gather all sort of insights, pass it on to different teams, product operations and technical teams.
So can you take us through how does a typical day looks like in your department?
Sure, absolutely. So customer experience is generally misunderstood as a support function. हमारे केस में customer experience का part होना means कि not just supporting function and we're not just dealing with complaints, but essentially कि how the customer or user interacts with the overall product. So सिर्फ ये वाला aspect नहीं कि customer हमसे बात कैसे करेगा, ये भी कि वो product से interact कैसे कर रहा है, कितना आसान है हर interaction, हर touch point, कितना आसान है उस चीज़ को समझना, फंड्स ट्रांसफ़र करने हैं तो ट्रांसफ़र करना समझना, इस्लामिक बैंकिंग और कन्वेंशनल बैंकिंग का डिफरेंस समझना, और हर वो इशू जो हमें मिलता है व्हाट वी डू इज़ लाइक वी मेक श्योर कि वी वर्क विद अदर टीम्स टू रिजॉल्व दोज इशूज सो दे आर नॉट अ रिकरिंग पैटर्न. So there are like a couple of things that I've learned over time in different industries, but I think a few things are like constant across every industry when you talk about customers or customer experience in general. Across my career, I have learned this कि आप अगर transparently आगे user को ये बात बता देते हैं, they buy their time, they give you their time, and I think the successful companies are those who let their users to be their co-founders in a way that they take their feedback, turn it into insights, and then act upon it. Another thing I think is like generally customers' complaints are emotion driven from the customers rather than logical, right? So if once you understand the sentiment behind it, तो आपको समझ आती है कि सिर्फ कोई कंप्लेन नहीं है एक टिकट नहीं है जिसको आपको सॉल्व करना है. यू अंडरस्टैंड दी पर्सन सफरिंग बिहाइंड इट. किसी के पैसे स्टक हैं किसी ट्रांजेक्शन में, किसी ने पैसे भेजे कहीं रिसीव नहीं हुए. इमेजिन उस फंड्स की क्या नीड हो सकती है. मे बी देयर इज अ मदर इल एट अ हॉस्पिटल, समबडी हैज़ टू मेक एन इमीडिएट पेमेंट. किसी ने कोई कैब हेल की हुई थी, उसको वो पैसे देने हैं, वो ट्रांसफ़र किए रिसीव नहीं हुए. दे कांट रियली गो टू द ऑफिस बिकॉज दे हैव टू पे द मनी अगेन. So I think it's important to understand कि exactly पीछे emotion क्या है that's driving the frustration or why a customer is reaching out in the first place.
So how do you manage कि आप उन लोगों को जो सिर्फ फ़ोन के थ्रू आपको रीच आउट कर रहे हैं, you make them feel valued, heard and cared for?
Yeah, so I think the reason people were like running away from banks was essentially there was long lines as you mentioned.
Exactly.
बहुत मुश्किल था अकाउंट ओपन करवाना.
बिल्कुल.
There's a lot of paperwork they have to do. And then again, even if you reach out to support, you mentioned like calling someone on phone support. So that's one aspect. I think banks बहुत focus करते हैं अभी भी इस चीज़ के ऊपर कि user आए call करे, they end up spending some money on calls. When we talk about digital doesn't mean it has to be distant. हमारे केस में there are like couple of other mediums. Call support is just one. But we look at emails, we look at in-app chats, we look at social media, we look at Play Store, App Store reviews, pretty much everything that's
so
out
many
there.
channels now for the customers to reach.
So I think it helps us being more responsive, more available for users. There are so many platforms जो users normal day-to-day life में use कर रहे हैं in any case. In our case, we can actually handle and more complaints, more situations, assist more customers. So I think digitization is actually more helpful, and it's one of the reasons that unbanked population is turning into banked population at this
Exactly.
point. So yeah, I think it's high time that conventional banks start focusing on more digital channels as well, because I think that's the future of the fintech.
लेकिन ये थोड़ा मुश्किल नहीं होता लोगों को सेटिस्फाई करना थ्रू जस्ट चैट और फोन?
I mean, there's definitely a perception around this that, अगर आपके पास एक customer है जो किसी branch में walk in कर रहा है and, they can see you in person, there's a trust factor that's there. Yes.
Exactly.
But I think there are other ways to build that same level of trust. As you mentioned earlier, that, if you make a commitment over a phone and then you are the one reaching out to that customer खुद से, so they know now, they have parked their situation somewhere, they have talked to somebody. If you are there to listen and if you are making a commitment and fulfilling it, और उस यूज़र को ये आप ट्रस्ट करवा देते हैं कि आपको दोबारा रीच आउट नहीं करना पड़ेगा, फॉलो अप नहीं करना पड़ेगा, which unfortunately is something that generally happens in the industry still. एक यूज़र को बार बार आना पड़ता है, फॉलो अप लेना पड़ता है. In our case, what we do is like we try our level best कि हम खुद यूज़र को बता दें, even if there's a delay in the commitment that we made earlier, we can always go back and tell the customer, and they always agree to it. It's fine. I mean, as long as they realize that there's someone keeping an eye on that complaint, trying to get it resolved for them, they don't bother to go to the branch. They're not worried about this कि हम लाजमी किसी इंसान से बात करें या हमें नाम पता हो या हम लाजमी in person interact करें. So I don't think कि digital means that there's more distance. I think it allows you to be more available, because branch network is definitely helpful. आप walk-in customers को accommodate कर सकते हैं, but I think there's always this challenge कि branch public holidays पे close होगी, branch 9 to 5 के बाद close होगी. With digital channels, you're always available. It's 24/7.
Yes.
Even with the extensive branch network of conventional banks, उनको हमेशा digital mediums या phone support रखना ही पड़ता था 24/7. So most of the customers, if you notice, वो बहुत पहले से भी इसी तरह के mediums के through ही accommodate हो रहे थे. So now there's just more channels for it.
Perfect. So again, availability and connection to the
that's
humans. Perfect. So हम सबको लगता है कि CX सिर्फ कंप्लेंट्स लेता है, उनको लॉक करता है और बस उसका काम ख़त्म. लेकिन जब मैंने एक ज्वाइन किया, so I have seen you and your team closely working with product team, technology team, and even operations, right? So what exactly is your strategy to collaborate with all of these teams and enhance the processes and operations and even the products?
Yeah, I think there's one key principle here. If there's one complaint, it might represent one issue. But if there are multiple complaints or one complaint coming from multiple customers, I think it refers to a pattern कि कोई problem है.
Exactly.
I think my mindset around this is simple कि आपको dots connect करने पड़ते हैं part of customer experience team.
True.
You don't, there's no future if you just make it a customer support function. It will eventually end up being a cost center rather than something that can help you get the word of mouth marketing or, really help you drive revenue, be really efficient at making a very good product that customers absolutely love. So yeah, I think in our case, what we do is like we don't just take complaints.
Yes.
We analyze it, we look at the patterns, we try to connect the dots, and then we work with all these different teams जिनके साथ हम co-create करते हैं किसी process को जो बेहतर हो सकता है, product को जिससे user interact कर रहे हैं. अगर आपकी information हासिल करने के लिए user को support पे reach out करना पड़ रहा है, they are trying to get in touch with somebody, maybe there's something wrong with the product or how you have, put up the information on a website or frequently asked questions in the app, जहाँ users को समझ नहीं आ रही. अगर आपके यूज़र आ रहे हैं बेसिक फीचर्स के क्वेश्चंस लेके, तो इट मीन्स दैट देयर इज समथिंग दैट यू हैव टू वर्क विद द डिज़ाइन ताकि इट्स ईजियर फॉर पीपल टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड नेविगेट थ्रू द ऐप. सो आई थिंक व्हाट वी डू इज लाइक वी जनरली लुक एट ऑल दोज डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट्स कि हम ओवरऑल यूज़र का एक्सपीरियंस कैसे बेहतर बना सकते हैं. सो एवरी टच पॉइंट, एवरी पेन पॉइंट इज समथिंग दैट वी लुक एट द नंबर्स, वी कनेक्टेड विद द नंबर्स एंड देन द एंटायर स्टोरी इज शेयर्ड विद द अदर टीम्स. सो बहुत ज़रूरी है आपके लिए to make it a customer experience function, कि आप दूसरी टीम्स के साथ इंटरेक्ट करें और co-create करें और इम्प्रूव करें उस प्रोसेस को. हर प्रोसेस और हर लेवल पे प्रोडक्ट को चैलेंज किया जा सकता है.
बिल्कुल.
राइट, इट्स एंटायरली इन योर कंट्रोल कि आप किसी प्रोसेस को कैसे बनाते हैं. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आज से एक दहाई पहले या 100 साल पहले अगर एक प्रोसेस बनाया गया था तो लाजमी उसी को फॉलो करना है.
बिल्कुल.
वी आर इन एज ऑफ इनोवेशन विद लॉट ऑफ डिजिटाइजेशन. आई थिंक इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट कि हम उसको अच्छे से इस्तेमाल करें एंड वी try to improve whatever we have already available.
And I think with the banking needs evolving so rapidly in the customers also, so we'll have to, I think, improve every process on day-to-day basis.
Absolutely, yes. You have to do it. Even for survival, you have to do it.
Perfect, perfect. Okay, Ryan, thank you so much for this answer because this was something very important क्योंकि हमें हमेशा लगता है that customer experience एक department है जो side पे बैठता है और silos में काम करता है. But yes, to make the experience wholesome and holistic, you have to collaborate with many other departments.
Absolutely.
Perfect. With this fast-paced life of customer service, जहाँ आप problem solving कर रहे हैं, urgent resolution of complaints कर रहे हैं, processes देख रहे हैं, product के साथ काम कर रहे हैं, when the working day ends, which I'm sure never ends, who's Ryan outside office?
Yes, Hina. So I'm a very curious person outside work. I try to learn new things.
Okay.
Like very frequently. I try to keep myself updated with the most advanced technology that's out there in the market. So that has helped me become a full stack developer as well as a Google certified UI UX designer. Right now I'm learning about business law to understand how business handles different situations and get a different sort of perspective from a legal and compliance side. So yeah, I think I'm somebody who is always into learning new things. Looking at different technologies. Now it's an era of artificial intelligence, so I'm completely into artificial intelligence.
Wow.
Looking at how you can automate every aspect, not only from the organizational aspect, but generally customer facing के अलावा आप back end operations को भी कैसे automate कर सकते हैं, आप अपनी normal day to day life को कैसे automate कर सकते हैं, and if you want to set up something of your own like a business or develop an app, आप वो कैसे कर सकते हैं. There are so many tools out there जो आप कर सकते हैं. And I think one thing is a platform where we're already trying to leverage a lot of artificial intelligence and automations. So that learning that I got outside work, वो हम यहाँ भी implement करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. So yeah, fingers crossed.
But we can say that you're a continuous learner, and outside work also you're working, right?
Pretty much, yeah. I think the role of customer experience always demands this कि आप available होते हैं. There are different sort of situations, and generally when you talk about the industry in customer experience, people like nobody knows किसी कंपनी में head of customer experience कौन है, manager कौन है जो आता है on the face. For me, I think one thing that I absolutely love to do is like interact with users. So regardless of whether it's working hours or it's outside working hours, whenever there's a customer, and it's very frequently that something happens, people put my name on Quora whenever they see that there's a complaint.
Wow.
They say, oh, this is the guy you can reach out to. Just today that I ended up having another call because the user just mentioned my name, said like, we want to talk to Rehan. So that's a very common thing, and I think users also are, they absolutely get happy when they realize that, there's no hierarchy for us and anyone can come in, anyone can interact with the user. We don't shy away. We don't really put so much focus on in the roles or designations. What we do is like all of us like essentially love to interact with users and solve some of the problems.
I think this is the biggest superpower, being accessible.
Absolutely, yes.
For a person who is heading a department, being accessible is definitely one of the best values they can possess. But Ryan, any one extracurricular thing that you do that recharges you?
I don't switch off. I think I switch context. As I mentioned, like I do different things. For example, I try to learn more. I try to, go into more advanced technology. There's multiple extracurricular activities that I do. I love horse riding. I am a video gamer as well. I love to read books. So a lot of things that I do to understand, how founders think, how you take that level of ownership that a founder has.
Perfect.
So yeah, a couple of things that I do, but I think all of this goes back to the same level of curiosity where I want to learn something new. कुछ ना कुछ सीखना है हमेशा या सीखते रहना है, because I genuinely believe कि आपकी फॉर्मल स्टडीज़ के बाहर भी आपकी करियर ग्रोथ होती है. इनफैक्ट वहीं होती है. आप क्या सीखते हैं, आपका क्या एक्सपोजर है, किस तरह के एक्सपीरियंसेस आपके साथ होते हैं, वो बहुत हेल्प करता है आपको in order to grow in your career.
I think that's pretty insightful, and thank you so much, Ryan, for being here today in this episode of Speaker's Corner. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us today. This was indeed a very insightful and profound conversation that we had with the Head of Experience, Mr. Ryan Nasir at Ek Digital by Bank Islami. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.